Assalamualaikum. My name is Widi Mutakin from Expose Academy. I am an entrepreneur and also an academic lecturer in computer graphic disciplines. I teach digital painting, 3D and 2D animation, web design, motion graphic, game development, and other computer graphic related topics. Krita is a graphic application comparable to Photoshop, but unlike Photoshop, Krita is an open source project, so anyone can use Krita without having to pay anything for the software license. Krita was built from the ground up as a digital painting software first in mind. That is why, if you want to create drawing or illustration, Krita will make you feel right at home. If you never used Krita before and you want to master it fast, then this course is your best solution. It is designed for complete beginners, so no experience needed at all. Or, if you used Photoshop before and you want to move to Krita, then this course is for you also. Because in this course, I will mention a lot about Photoshop's comparable features when explaining the features inside Krita. We will cover a lot of things in this course, but we will start from zero, and that is the general computer graphic concepts such as the difference between raster and vector, color models, bit depth per channel, etc. Then, I will explain how to make Krita runs smoother and how to set up drawing tablets for optimal result. So yes, you will need a drawing tablet to really gain the maximum benefits of using Krita and to gain benefits from this course. After that, we will cover the basic features of Krita, from how to work with documents, how to customize the UI, how to navigate the canvas, and then learn how to use the brush tool. Next, we will learn about how to work with color, such as selecting color and picking color from the existing colors. After that, we will learn about layer and different properties of layer, such as alpha inheritance, opacity, blending modes, group layer, etc. These layer features are essential to make crafting complex artwork much easier and manageable. Next, we will discuss about selection. And after that, we will learn how to customize Krita even further for a faster digital painting workflow. We will then cover basic shading concepts and shading methods while doing this skull illustration project from start to finish. After the skull project, we will learn more advanced techniques and strategy while we do this hands-on project, creating this tree on a hill illustration from sketch to the final artwork. I will teach you a very versatile non-destructive workflow that will allow you to create many different variations of artworks from a single artwork fast. This is very important in a fast-paced production, such as in the game industry, for example. So join now and start creating masterpieces with Krita. See you on the other side. Wassalamualaikum.